So this is a very important tip. Set up your own frame. This is it. Suppose the question is like this. Now what is the question? How many solutions in positive integers are there for a plus b plus c equals to 8 means not distinct. Why they should be distinct? It's not mentioned. See, suppose there are two persons A and B. Can I say their ages should be different because the persons are different? Or if I say a 3-digit number, so the 3 digits may be different, may not be different. If they are different, by default they may be same or different, right? Or otherwise, it has to be specified. So it's A, B, C are just characters, right? The positive integers. Sum of these three should be equal to 8. It's not given distinct positive integers. So it could be 1, 1, 6, 1, 2, like that. So one way is we can start writing, listing out, and so you can have a table of A, B, C, right? List out 1, 1, 6 to 5. Yeah, it will take a lot. As I told you that the first tip is 0 is not a positive integer. So we are not going to list what are they, right? So that is quite possible. So instead I am going to create a frame. I am going to use a frame, that is, frame is going to contain what? Sticks and bubbles, or marbles we can take. So how many bubbles you have? 8. Huh? 8. Clear? Now observe, forget this question now, right? There are 8. If I am going to have a break here, I can call this as 2 compartments, right? So one partition is going to give me how many compartments? 2. Now what do you see? The left of the left division you have 3. That's one compartment. That is 5 is another. Correct? So for 2 compartments I need how many partitions? How many sticks or pens I need? 1. So if I need 3 partitions, 2 sticks. Therefore I can place the sticks in these gaps, right? So I can place it here, here, or maybe here. So what do you see? 2, 5 and 1. You know what it means? This first compartment is that goes for A, and the second one goes for B, third one goes for C. So what is A if you are going to place the sticks? The number of bubbles to the left of the first stick is going to be A, and the number of bubbles between the first and second will go for B. Number of bubbles after the second will go for C. Therefore, how many combinations of ABC means in how many ways I place these 2 sticks is equivalent to number of combinations of ABC. So the problem is changed to a new frame. Are you able to understand or not? Is it clear? So if this 1, 1, 6 means it's this. 1, 2, 5 means. Are you able to understand? Clear? So I have a black pen and blue pen. So I am taking, instead of stick I am taking pens now, right? Okay, so suppose I am going to place the blue pen first. How many choices I have? 7. I can place anywhere, right? I can place it here or here or here. So there are 7 choices. So I have placed the blue pen, right? Then I am going to take the black pen now. I want to place the black pen now. How many choices? 6 or 7? It won't be 7 because if I place it here, I can't place the same thing here. Then I will be having 4, 0, 4. It's not a positive integer. So that means wherever I place this blue pen, I should not place the black pen in the same gap. So I have now only 6 choices for the black. Is that clear? So I have a 7 and a 6. Do I need to multiply or add? Why multiply? For each of the 7 positions of, that is why all the tips are important. You understand now? It's a full composition. Every tip is important. So you get 7 and 6. We don't know whether to add or multiply. So for each of the 7, you get 6. For example, if I place this here, this has 6. If I place this here, this has 6. So I need to multiply. Am I carrying extra counts? Yes. I'll tell you why. Why extra count? The blue and black are, so you can interchange, no? But you could have counted it differently. So blue placed here and black placed here is counted 1. This one is counted separately, but both gives you the same partition. Are you able to understand or not? Yes or no? Can you imagine? So you got 42, right? In that 42, this is one arrangement. This is one arrangement. But actually both gives 2, 5, 1. It's same. So it's multiplied 2. Every part, every this composition is counted how many times? 2 times. Are you able to understand? Blue here, black here, same compartments. Therefore you must divide by